You know, as a there are seriously days where I could just go for a big fat line, and I'm ashamed to say this. A big fat line of Coke with a straw and a mirror. And today is definitely one of those days. I like to watch myself when I drink Coke. It really hits the spot, you know. It does. It does it every time. That's high grade stuff too. It's good.